There's the 04 and there is the exhaust. And as I said, the beauty of this is that nothing goes below the exhaust. You don't have to remove subframe pieces, nothing. You can just remove the whole exhaust and then repair it. And again, what's required here is only those 6 studs or nuts, whichever comes out. Then you've got this little hanger right here with 2 bolts that go up into the body, and there's one bolt that holds that on, but I didn't need to touch that. You can see I've already made some modifications to the exhaust. That's neither here nor there. I'm going to have to repair this because this is also broken. By the way, this shows the original pipe. There's a pipe underneath that I put that goes into both of these, into the this front exhaust piece and then into the catalytic converter. But again, you only have to remove this hanger, then there's a hanger there, and then those 2 hangers, and out comes the exhaust. So in summary, if you want to remove the exhaust, you've got 6 studs or nuts. You've got 1 hanger right there with 2 bolts in it. I shouldn't call it a hanger, 2 bolts. Then you've got a hanger there, you've got a hanger there, and then 2 more on the end. And now I have access to do anything I want to the exhaust. So I'm going to, for example, I'm going to sandblast this, and then I'm going to weld this, and I'm going to sandblast this and weld this together. I'm also going to weld these 2 flanges together and just bypass the entire gasket, because the gasket is on its way out, and on the other side I was sandblasting already from underneath the car and it blew right through this gasket. So this is going to become one single piece from one end all the way down to the other end. So if you have exhaust problems with your older Subaru, this might be an avenue you want to take, because you have access to virtually everything. So good luck with your Subi. In order to remove the hangers, we're going to use this hanger removal tool. If you don't own one of these, you should absolutely buy one if you ever intend to work on exhausts. So I'll try to show you how this works if I can get my camera in there and do everything at the same time. So here we go. Check this out. Ready? How good is that? Instead of suffering trying to get a hanger off. Now we're going to remove the hangers in the back and then take the exhaust out. Yeah, when I sandblasted this surface, it kind of blew out the exhaust gasket that belongs there. So we're just going to join the flanges together, not have to worry about it, as you're about to see.